I'm a big club. Daddy, can we go to the park? Daddy, look at me. I'm bigger. Me too. What are you doing?
I'm driving.
What are you doing? You driving. Let me go.
Are you sure about that, sweetheart?
Are you sure? Daddy, my hair is tingly. Daddy, my hair is tingly. Daddy, can we go home and go get a Band-Aid? Dad, what's this?
What are you doing, sweetheart?
I'm a yoga.
Oh, okay.
Even Ellie, and even you, and even Mama, and even Daddy, and even Molly. There's one hair for you. That's candy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dad! Josie, buy this. Dad!
Yes, sweetheart.
Josie! No! Dad, where is our house?
We're almost to our house, sweetheart.
Dad, where is it? Daddy, way far away? Daddy, my house is way.
I think we're almost there.
Daddy, what are you doing? Mommy, I'm a big girl. I'm a very big car. Elliot, wait, I'm big. We'll drive a big car.
Pink car?
Yeah, a big pink car. It's a red, pink car. No, you just go right over there. That's my car. Josie, you really buy me. Dad!
Yes, sweetheart.
Josie really buy me.
Are you sure?
We're going to our house. Our house right over there. And you see our house? And I'm being very friendly.
Are you being really friendly?
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Daddy, there's some thunder.
Do you hear thunder?
What's that noise?
I don't know.
That sounds like just a party.
Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera.
Well, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, I say bye-bye.
Okay.
No.
Bye-bye, sweetheart.